Today I'll be showing you how to make a visual graph analysis with DepthMapX. Just importing the map I wish to analyze, and here I'm setting the grid properties. Then hide the grid for easier visibility, and here I'm selecting the area I want to analyze. I'm going to visibility and make visibility graph. And this wasn't quite the outcome I wanted. Eventually I kind of realized that my grid size wasn't small enough. So I then went back and resized my grid. Here I am making the grid size smaller to get a better result. Going through the same process of hiding the grid and selecting the area I want analyzed. Then once again making the visibility graph. This part can take quite a while. And when it's finished processing, it should look something like this, with the dark blue being low visibility and the red being high visibility. And you can print from the File tab. I also saved my project here. Here I'm just comparing it to another visibility graph that I made so I could compare results. You can move the two maps or graphs in the same window in case you want to look at them side by side. And as you can see, there is a pretty big difference between the two, with the one I'd done previously having a lot more dark blue, therefore less visual connectivity in comparison to the one that we just completed. That's essentially how you use DepthMapX.